Welcome to AP Workshops. My name's Snox. I don't think you've seen too much of me on YouTube, so here I am. Just wanted to give you an heads up really. We've got some real iconic sports bikes coming our way, so like and subscribe to us. Just to give you a little bit of a taste of what's coming. RC45 from Honda. Keep your eye on the channel. This and many more iconic bikes are going to be coming your way. We're going to have ride outs, tech talk. I think Griff's going to get nerdy on as well. So like and subscribe and keep an eye on our channel. Thank you.